Normal life has come to a grinding halt after Indian troops have intensified checking and frisking in the name of a security blanket ahead of India's Republic Day 26 January. The troops have increased vigil with CCTVs installed in and around the cricket stadium in Srinagar to keep close watch on the movement of the people. Kashmiris on both sides of the line of control and the world over will observe India's Republic Day the 26th January on Thursday as Black Day to impress upon the world to take notice of New Delhi's continued denial of right to self-determination of the Kashmiri people. Call for the observance of the Black Day has been given by the All Parties Hurriyat Conference. The day will be marked as a Black Day in occupied Kashmir, Azad Kashmir and abroad. Special court in Jammu has closed Jammu and Kashmir Liberation Front chairman Mohammad Yasin Malik's right to cross-examine a prime witness in a 1990 fake case registered against him related to the killing of 4 Indian Air Force personnel after the Hurriyat leader refused to do so through a video conference. Mohammad Yasin Malik is in Delhi's Tihar jail after being convicted in another fake funding case. High Court Bar Association has expressed shock and grief over the death of Advocate Basit Ashraf Butt, the son of Advocate Muhammad Ashraf Butt, who is Bar's General Secretary. Advocate Basit Ashraf Butt, 25 years old, passed away due to massive cardiac arrest at his home in Rawalpura, Srinagar last night. 43-year-old Indian Army colonel committed suicide by hanging at a training center in Jabalpur city of Madhya Pradesh. Body of Colonel Nishit Khanna, posted as commanding officer in 1 technical training regiment, was found hanging in a room of the officers' mess. Police also found suicide note. Mob of more than 100 men from Bajrang Dal barged into a birthday party in Indore, Madhya Pradesh and beat at least 5 Muslim men. The mob then transported them into Indore's police station and got them arrested there.